Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of animal adaptations. From the bizarre to the brilliant, nature has equipped some creatures with truly unique features to help them survive and thrive in their environments. The first animal is the Leafy Sea Dragons. The Leafy Sea Dragons, whose graceful shapes and vibrant colors really make these marine fish stand out among the others, are predominantly found around the coasts of southern and western Australia. Partially in the shallow coastal waters around rocky reefs and seaweed beds, these creatures are renowned for their intricate leaf-like appendages that resemble seaweeds. These creatures are generally slow-moving and rely heavily on their camouflage for protection against predators, but it also uses the camo to hunt small crustaceans. Lastly, their transparent pectoral fins are used for steering and propulsion, enabling precise movements and maneuverability in their habitat. The next animal is the Lyrebirds. The Lyrebirds are an Australian species of ground-living birds which are famous for their skill to imitate natural sounds, but also artificial sounds that they encounter. They are generally inhabitant in eastern forests and shrublands of Australia. The most amazing thing about lyrebirds is their capability to imitate a broad range of sounds, such as distinct bird calls, tools noises like chainsaws and camera shutters, and even musical instruments. The mating of the lyrebird is a very particular one. The male constructs accurate replicas of bird songs in a complex dance in order to compete with other males and captivate females during the song/lyric performance period. Lyrebird's highly advanced vocal system allows them to mimic different sounds with great clarity and accuracy. The next animal is the ladybug. The ladybugs are found all over the world in a vast range of ecosystems such as the forests, fields, gardens, and urban areas. They all are carnivorous insects, since they feed off aphids, mites, and other small bugs that are pests to plant, attracting them by scent. Ladybugs can exude Attic cardamom, a yellowish liquid from their leg joints into the wrist. The liquid that flows from these leg joints is toxic, which signifies to the predators that they are not safe, giving more shield against attacks by other animals. The liquid contains carminic acid, a toxic chemical that gives the liquid a yellow-like color. The manner in which stomatocytes secrete membrane-bound digestive enzymes also causes distaste, vertigo, and mouth numb. The next animal is the Goblin Shark. The Goblin Shark is a very rare and strange kind of shark that lives mainly in the depths of the ocean. It is common to call it a living fossil because of its appearance, which remains unchanged through the generations. They occupy the continental slopes and limestone deep canyon, where they feed on fish, cephalopods, and crustaceans. They feed by the opportunistic way, so they use their specially adapted skulls. Its mouth can open and close very fast, and it even can push its jaw forward to get the food. So this shark is able to capture food from a distance using its excellent accuracy. Of course, they have special jaws articulated in a way that allows them to launch their jaws at a terrific speed, up to 3 meters per second. The next animal is the Thorny Devil. The Thorny Devil is a mysterious lizard dwelling in the arid regions of the land of Australia. Mainly, ants make up the lizard's diet and sticks out its tongue to capture its prey. The scales have grooves that drain the water into its mouth, making it possible for the lizard to drink from dew, rain, or moist sand by touching it with its body. The skin of the Thorny Devil is packed with spines with a special groove around them for channeling the water into its mouth to drink it like using a straw. These grooves are minute enough such that they cannot be seen with a naked eye. The water is coaxed into the trench-shaped grooves at the root level by this force. The next animal is the flying fish. The flying fish is a group of oceanic fish, which are popular for an incredible ability to navigate over the water surface. They are located in warm and tropical waters throughout the oceans. These beautiful creatures, which have specialized adaptations for escaping from their predators and traveling long distances by using their enlarged pectoral fins by flying above the water. Their streamlined body structure that is an important factor of minimizing drag both in water and air also aids for flying. The swift tail movement allows the flyers to swim rapidly and effectively underwater. Then they start picking up the water to attain the surface speed. Then like bullets they go out and reach 56 kilometers per hour. The next animal is the spiny mice. The African spiny mice are small rodents native to various regions across Africa. They are omnivorous, feeding on a great variety of foods, which are seeds, fruits, insects, and eventually small vertebrae. One of spiny mice's amazing abilities is their capacity for the regeneration of damaged skin. This particular skill allows it to lose the tail when some predator grabs them just by tip of their tail, as it will be regrown much later without scaring. They can also regrow skin without scars, taking care of lost fur for several days. This helps the organisms cover and camouflage themselves against predators, providing also the ability to shed skin as a way to lose the predator while the lost segment is regenerated eventually. The next animal is the Dorcus Gazelle. The Dorcus Gazelle, which is an elegant and tiny antelope that originates from the desert and semi-arid regions of North Africa. Dorcus gazelles are able to survive in arid or semi-arid landscapes through adaptations. The Dorcus gazelle possibly has the most amazing adaptation since it can take the moisture as a result of the food it eats. These tiny gazelles rely on consumption of wet plants with inner water nature and metabolic water production to survive for extended time without any water drinking. In action, these odd creatures actually do not urinate. Instead of the loss of water with liquid urine, their systems have been recycled to the point that they are able to flush out white pellets. The next animal is the Dorcus Irrawaddy dolphin. The Dorcus Irrawaddy dolphin is seen in Southeast Asia and South Asia. They exhibit a unique habit where they often cooperate with fishermen. This is often called cooperative fishing. These dolphins employ their echolocation to herd fish schools the boat. Then they communicate to fishermen by using whistles or body language in order to notify them that the fish are ready to be taken. This collaboration creates an interest in both parties. The dolphins take a portion of the net-trapped fishes along with the fishermen who experience a much larger catch than they would normally catch on their own. These interactions are accepted by dolphins and their exchange has been inherited from one generation to another. The last animal is the kingsnakes. The kingsnakes is a group of snakes that are non-venomous in North and Central America. One of the kingsnakes' most remarkable adaptations is their tolerance to snake venom, which is very unique. They have the ability to neutralize a snake's venom even from rattlesnakes and copperheads. They are tolerant because their bodies are made to break down and deactivate compounds that are found in the venom. Kingsnakes are bestowed with the physiological advantage of being tolerant to the venom of the snakes they normally encounter in their habitat. They evolved over generations this resistance to the prevailing snakes around. For example, resistance of an American kingsnake to a venom from an African viper could not be resistance to the venom. That's a wrap for today's exploration of unique animal adaptations. If you found this video as fascinating as we did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more captivating content. What's your favorite animal adaptation? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.